90% of people have fatty liver, and most don't even know it's dangerous. It's not just about your liver. It's linked to heart disease, brain damage, even early death. The good news? It's 100% reversible. No pills, just real science.
Fatty liver disease has become a global epidemic. Yet, when diagnosed, many doctors dismiss it as harmless. This is a huge mistake. Fat accumulation in the liver triggers inflammation that spreads throughout your body, damaging your heart, blood vessels, and even your brain. Ignoring this condition can lead to serious complications, including liver fibrosis, cirrhosis, or cancer.
So, how does fatty liver happen? Three main factors. 1. Excess sugar consumption in your diet. 2. Overeating unhealthy saturated fats. 3. Fat stored in your body from poor diet and weight gain, especially around your belly and hips. Here's a surprising fact. Fat cells damaged by insulin resistance literally burst, releasing harmful fats and inflammatory substances into your bloodstream. This triggers whole body inflammation, causing weight gain, dull skin, and skin problems like acne.
Studies from the US have shown that just cutting out sugary drinks for 2 weeks reduced liver fat by 25%. No medications, no supplements, just dietary changes. Another study compared two groups. One followed a high-fat ketogenic diet. The other ate a healthy diet rich in complex carbs from plants. After 2 months, the keto group's liver fat and inflammation actually increased, while the plant-based carb group saw a 25% reduction. This contradicts popular keto claims and highlights the importance of a balanced, evidence-based approach.
Here's the simple, science-backed approach to reverse fatty liver. Eat a mostly plant-based diet. 90% complex carbs from legumes, vegetables, whole grains like quinoa and millet. Include 10% quality animal products. Avoid simple carbs in excess. Practice intermittent fasting every other day if overweight. Replace cooking oils with cold-pressed olive oil or nut oils. Exercise daily. Even a 45-minute walk helps. Moderate consumption of fruits, dates, and honey. Remember, moderation is key. Overdoing natural sugars leads to problems. Drink black tea, coffee, green tea, and use natural spices like ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, and cloves daily in small amounts. Replace dairy products with homemade yogurt if needed. Consume vitamin D, 2,000 to 5,000 IUs every morning.
Fatty liver doesn't just affect your liver. It's a major cause of heart disease, the #1 killer worldwide. Treating fatty liver means protecting your entire body.
If you found this helpful, please subscribe and support this channel. We bring you trusted, science-based knowledge to empower your health journey.